Today, my son Andrew and I will be launching on Lake St Clair and boating to Poor Man's Beach. I designed a 9-foot wood boat and built it in my basement, but the biggest accomplishment was getting the boat up the stairs, through the kitchen, and out the front door.
Oh, it's not going to let us turn. I'm trying to back.
Yeah, it looks like we got plenty of room. There have been times I've come through here and I only had like an inch to the navigational light.
I barely even had to scratch down.
Yeah, I guess the water's actually lower than I realized. When I designed the boat, I made the tip of the bow the same height as the top of the motor. This would give me plenty of freeboard for going through waves, but still give me a low profile for going under bridges. So this license to chill, that was my old slip there. It was the day of the Selfridge Air Show, but the jets were a little hard to see from the water. Wow, look at that. It is a stealth. I didn't know that was even going to be here. Wow, look at that thing. I've never seen one of those in person. I've seen pictures, but it's so weird to see it in person. That just... I made drink holders that snap into the slots in the gunnel so they can be moved anywhere in the boat. The foredeck was constructed of cedar strips with maple accents. I selected boards with different coloring to create the starburst appearance. Thunderbirds are still flying over there.
Are they? Yeah, look at the clouds. I think we might have not made the worst move.
Yeah, we probably. Yeah, it's looking like we got some weather coming. Back at the boat launch, we would see some celebrity boats. The top 2 rated Catalina 22s were practicing for the national championship that would be the following week. The newer Catalina 22s are probably better built and more solid, but the top racers seek out the original hulls from the 70s, which are faster.